Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 is consistently displaying the incorrect time and refusing to update. And now let's get started. First, let us ensure your time settings are configured correctly. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab located on the list on the left-hand side. Here you will find the Date and Time section. Please make sure that all three switches, Set Time Automatically, Set Time Zone Automatically, and Synchronize Your Clock, are turned on. After confirming these settings, click on the Sync button. Kindly wait a few seconds until you see a tick mark appear, indicating that the synchronization was successful. Once this tick mark is visible, several aspects of the time issue should be resolved. Now for the next crucial step, we will run a system file check. Open your Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Then, right-click on the Command Prompt search result and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files to detect and repair any corrupt or missing files that might be causing the time discrepancy. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.